We are going camping.
Oh yeah, where at?
In the mountains.
Yeah, who's going?
Dad, me, and Katie.
Yeah. Kate, you excited?
Uh-huh.
We have all our stuff?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Should be fun. Is it gonna be cold or hot?
I have no idea. It's going to be really cold because I'm really boiling hot.
Okay.
That waterfall's cool.
Yeah, it is. Okay, keep going.
We don't want to jump in the waterfall.
No.
It's crazy cold. We have to watch out for wiggly ones.
Good job. Wait for us.
I can't really.
Look at that. We got water down there. Lots of rocks.
To hold us up. This is kind of fun, right? Do you know how we would
Right here. That's it. All right.
We're going to go up.
Doing great, little hikers.
I don't see a perfect campsite place yet.
Lola's there. Look. Lola's almost there. You made it. Good job. We're here.
We're there.
What do you guys think?
This is a
Looks like fun?
spot.
You think it's a perfect spot?
Uh-huh.
Clear out the spot. Let's get all the rocks away. Toss it away. We're gonna make a nice smooth spot where we want to camp.
Dad, I broke one because I flew so hard.
Don't hit each other. Okay,
What should I
put them together.
No.
Make it one big long pole.
do? Lola, you could do the other one.
No, if you just stand all the way back and stretch it out, it'll go in all by itself. Yeah, see that?
What the?
Don't step on the tent.
Okay, Dad's blowing up the pad mat.
It's coming pretty good. Look at that view. Mountains look awesome.
Wow. Hi, Katie. That face looks creepy on the back. It does? Uh-huh. You look creepy.
All right. That one's blown up enough for a minute. Let's do the other one.
Okay.
Why don't you walk over there and show everyone our tent?
There's that. Oh. This is where the campfire is.
Hey, that's not a tent. Show them our tent. Hey, our tent.
Whoa. Hi, Daddy. Whoa, cool tent. Hi, Daddy. Again. Whoa, what is this for? What is this for? I have no idea. What's that? Dad, what are these for?
Those are, if it gets really windy, we can use those to make the tent stay strong in the wind. All right. Next is sleeping bags.
Okay, now we're gonna make dinner.
That's right, so I'm putting the stove together. Okay, so that's the stove. Next we need to get the gas. Okay,
How'd you make it cook?
it's a good question, Kate. Should we find out? So this is what I do. I take the lid off the gas. Okay. And then I'm going to put this down inside it. This is the pump.
The pump?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
The pump pumps the gas into the stove. So when we make the fire, the gas burns inside the stove.
Oh, that is cute.
It is cool. So I attach this.
Wait, that would help you make the fire turn on?
Mm-hmm.
What the? I did not know that.
You didn't?
Nope. That. I ripped. Right there. Punch.
There we go. Okay.
Did you get gas on your hands?
Yeah, a little bit. So we'll have to be extra careful, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna put that lid back in there. I don't think we need the windshield. I don't really feel any wind. Do you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so next I need to light it. What I do is I turn this on just, oh wait, first I gotta pump it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn this just a little bit. Just enough to fill this thing up with liquid. All right, that's enough. Then I light it,
That's good.
and that is gonna make it hot. Because I'm trying to get it hot enough so that when I turn it back on again, then it will make the flames for our food.
It's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did we cook it up on our stove? Yeah. Kate, what do you think?
Good.
You dropped your spoon. Don't drop your spoon. It's gonna fall on the food. You gotta hold on to it.
I didn't know that.
You're silly. Pretty yummy.
I am cold, but this is making me really warm.
So you got big socks on,
I need it.
getting your cozy pants on.
Do I see my
You're
skin?
inside our tent. What do you guys think of the new tent?
It's amazing.
Oh
It's
yeah?
amazing.
Why do you like it?
The other one hat, you could show the sun. I mean the stars.
We could do that too with this one if we took the rain fly off. We just didn't want to get rained on.
Yeah.
So this rain fly here protects us.
From the rain. From the rain, rain, rain.